Buying your own legal herbs can be expensive and questionable, and growing your own herbs at home is costly, messy, and extremely complicated. Introducing the Armoire. The Armoire is a 100% organic, legal herb grow system designed to blend seamlessly into your home. Go from seed to harvest in as little as 60 days. We make that as easy as unbox, power up, plant, and water. If you can water a houseplant once a day, you can now successfully grow your own abundant, high-yielding legal herbs with the Armoire. The Armoire provides your specific auto-flowering plant with the optimal lighting and growing conditions needed to generate the highest possible yields year-round. Stop overpaying for expensive legal herbs. With our time-tested proprietary growing protocol, you'll know exactly what's in your plant from beginning to end. No mold, no pests, no overfeeding or overwatering. The Armoire is easy to use, easy to set up, energy efficient, and state-of-the-art. Our unit only uses about 150 watts of energy. That's the same amount of energy you use to power a small appliance. Its ultra-silent filtration system eliminates all scents and makes little to no noise. The Armoire is masterfully built with lightweight, mold and mildew-resistant material and comes in your choice of wood veneer finish, built to blend beautifully within your home. Our 90-day complimentary concierge customer service ensures that your first grow with Armoire is a positive experience. Keep your guests guessing until you are ready to show off your pungent, high yields. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today. The Armoire, the simple, discreet, organic, quality, home grow system.